Hello friends, my name is Bhupesh Kurre from Industrial Engineering and Management branch first semester. I am going to give a presentation on genetic algorithm. Genetic algorithm is given by the John Holland from USA. It is abstraction of real biological evolution like how parents give uh, birth to a children and how the children are evolved from their parents. It is used to solve complex problems like NP-hard. It is not used for the small or mini problems. It not focus on the normal getting a solution. It focus on the optimization to get the optimal solutions. Population of possible solutions for a given problem means we have already a number of solutions. We have populations of solutions and we'll find the optimized solution. From a group of individuals, the best will survive. That means individual means a single solution. And we have there are multiple solutions and we'll eliminate the old solution and the best solution will be the our optimal solution. Introduction to the genetic algorithm. Genetic algorithm is a search-based optimization technique based on the principles of genetics and natural selection. It is frequently used to find optimal or near optimal solutions to difficult problems which otherwise would take a lifetime to solve. Some basic terminologies are there which are going to use in the genetic algorithm like population. Population is nothing but it is a subset of all the possible solutions to the given problems. Means all the possible solutions of a given problem is population. Chromosomes. A chromosome is one such solution to the given problem. Gene. A gene is one element position of a chromosome. Crossover and mutation. These are two most important operators. Crossover operator is one parent is selected and one or more offsprings are produced using the genetic material of the parents. Mutation. It is used to maintain and introduce diversity in the genetic population. GA representation basic terminology. There are some way how we represent the genetic algorithm problems. First is phenotype. Phenotype is the population in the actual real world solution space in which solutions are represented in a way that they are represented in real world situations. This is the type what the problems are actually in the type. And second one type is the genotype. Genotype is the population in the computation space. In the computation space, the solutions are represented in a way which can be easily understood and manipulated using a computing system. And this means these two types are that phenotypes are the real world life examples, means a raw type data, but the genotype is the representation form of a GA, which is understandable by the computer. So this is the representation of GA. The left side one is the phenotype space, and it is converted or encoded into genotype, and it is now it is understandable by the computer, and this encoded form is used under our GA genetic algorithm, and after when we'll get the optimal solution, again we'll decode it back to the phenotype space. There are some certain termination conditions where we terminate our algorithm. First, when there has been no improvement in the population for X iterations, we are doing number of iterations, but we are not getting a we are not seeing any improvements in our solutions, so we'll terminate the algorithm. Second, when we reach an absolute number of generations, suppose some given certain number of we have to go up to certain generations, so we'll When we reach that absolute number of generations, we'll terminate the condition. Third one is when the objective function value has reached a certain predefined value. Suppose already some given predefined values are given in with our objective function, and when we touches our optimal solution is touches that predefined value, also we can terminate the condition. Coming to the next slide, flowchart of genetic algorithm. So this is the flowchart of genetic algorithm, which shows how the genetic algorithm works. So from the start, we start with our genotype formed question with some initial populations, means initial solutions. First, later on we'll check the converge condition. Converge condition is nothing but the termination condition. If our solution meets the termination conditions, we will stop our execution of the algorithm. If it does not mean, if the converge situation does not mean to the termination condition, we will go for this process, selection process. In the selection process, there are two phases. First is the evaluate the fitness, means we have the many parents are there. We will evaluate their fitness. We'll find the fitness score of them. So we'll select the best who is having the highest score will be selected. This and that process is not named as selectmate. That selectmate is selected for the reproduction. So coming this crossover, the crossover operator is used to generate from the selected parent to the new offspring one or many offsprings. Then coming to mutation, mutation is nothing but we will interchange with their genes and create some new solutions, and again it will goes to the converge, means again check for the termination condition. Again we'll check our solution. If it is meets to the termination condition, we will terminate. Either this iteration will go on till the our optimal solutions will get we can say these iterations will go going on continuously, since we find our optimal solution and our solution will meet the termination condition, then will stop the execution of the algorithm. Coming to next slide, there are some applications of genetic algorithm like routing, like traveling salesman problem. As we know, traveling salesman problem has very much complexity. Second, job shop scheduling, automatic programming, machine learning, economics, robotics, etc. These are few applications area where genetic algorithms are used. So, by seeing these previous discussions, we conclude that studying the GA as an optimizing technique with its advantages over other optimizing techniques and its limitations. One generation of GA is shown explaining its mechanism and proving that with each generation we reach closer to the optimum solution. Application of GA is studied in chemical engineering also to estimate the rate of parameters. Genetic algorithm has implicit technique which ensures that with each generation we get closer to the optimum solution. Thank you so much for watching the video.